Hey guys, welcome to Random Catastrophes. Today I'm going to be shooting some cans with three BB guns, and afterwards I'm going to be reviewing them and recommending which one is my favorite. So first, you want to put your safety glasses on and to shoot this one. So first I'm going to just show you how to load it and turn the safety on and off. So this one is the Powerline 340 by Daisy. This is how you load it. So you press this button right here to release the magazine, and then to load this you put the BBs in here. There's already some in there. And then pull this part out. And then you're going to see this spring come back right here, like this. And then, you see those BBs in there? You're going to tilt it up and shake it a little. See all the BBs in there? Then, some are going to come out, but that's normal. And then, you just push it back all the way and put it back in there like that. So how to shoot it is that you pull this part back all the way, and then you see this is up, but if you don't pull it back enough, then it won't shoot. Now you take the safety off, and then you see there is an S right there. You might not be able to see that, but that means the safety is on. So this is how you turn it off. You see this right here? You push that down, and then it reveals a little red spot. That means the safety is off. Now, aim and pull the trigger. You keep doing this until next up, we're going to be shooting this one. Last one was only spring air powered, but this one is CO2 powered, so it's going to be way more exciting, way more powerful. So this is the next one. This is the C11. I'm not sure what company made it, but I just know that it's the C11. And this is how you load it and turn the safety on and off. To load it, you press and hold this button right here, and it'll release the clip, and hold it until you've completely taken the clip out. So to load BBs into here, you pull the spring back until it locks, and take BBs. I don't have very many here, but it'll be enough, and put them into that hole right there. So now that you've got all the BBs in there, you hold your finger up there, and then this switch right here on the back, you flick that up. And then you can let go. After you let go, you can just slide it back into the gun. To turn the safety off, you flip the gun back over, and then there's this little switch or something right here. There's no right in there right now, and there's an F and an S. The S stands for safety, which means right now the safety is on. if I flick that switch, you see the red in there, and the safety is off. Okay, now you want to aim and shoot. This one is a lot more powerful than the last one. Wait, I'm gonna... There. Now for the last gun, which is this one. I'm gonna show you how to load it and turn the safety off like all the last ones. So this next one is the Grizzly 842 by Daisy. To load the gun, you see this door here? You pull this door back and load the BBs in there. But there are already BBs in there, as you can hear. So you pull this door back. Next, you want to pull this back and aim the gun up. And when you see that there is a BB on the magnetic tip, you push that back. And then you pump it once. When you're finished pumping, you turn the safety off. Right here on the trigger, or around next to the trigger, is the safety. Right now it is on, but when you push it, you see red here, and it is ready to shoot. On this gun, there's a scope, so it's easier to aim. This time, I'm going to be aiming at that toy truck at the top. So, in 3, 2, 1. There. Now I'm going to shoot the cans. There's one. There's two. And so I think what the gun that I recommend is this one. There's a whole bunch of other ones from the 840 series by Daisy, but this is the only one I have, and I think out of these three guns, this is the best one because you can aim easily and it's more powerful. If you are thinking of buying your own gun, always make sure to keep the safety on while you're not shooting, use the correct gear, and always aim in a safe direction. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and bye!